There's a couple of screws here and here, and then prise this off away from there without damaging my paintwork. So we'll see how we go. Screw. Just an ordinary posi drive, crosshead screwdriver. I'm going to try a tyre lever. There we go. I know there's a couple of pins in here that should just pull off. There we go. So here's the pins that were located here and here. Just use a tyre lever to gently prise it away without damaging the paintwork. Right, let's have a go at putting this new light in then. Well, on it won't. That in. Out with a click. I think that's it. Just nip this up. You know what? That don't look too bad, does it? From a distance. Kind of fogs. Yeah, lovely.